Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are tackling organizing my fridge. I like to do this a couple of times a year. I pull everything out, clean it really well, and then try to get everything nice and organized. I've bought some new organizational containers so I can give you some of my tips for getting it organized. Right now, it's a mess. It's been after the holidays and there's just things everywhere. So I'm gonna start by clearing everything out. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like inside. All right, so we just went to the store and it's a mess. I have things everywhere. My organization is not being utilized. I need to get this reorganized and also add some labels in here so everyone in the family knows where to put things. So I'm gonna start by clearing it out. As I'm pulling like-minded things out on my countertops, I'm going to be putting them together so that way when I go back to organize, I'm gonna have all of my yogurts together, all of my bread together. All right, next up is the condiment drawer. I'm gonna go through, pull out every single condiment we have. If it's something we don't use anymore, I'm definitely gonna get rid of it. And then I'm gonna check the expiration date, make sure that none of them are expired. And if they're not expired, then I'll keep them. Now that my fridge is completely cleared out, I got rid of all the old food and then my other food is sitting out right now, so I'm gonna do this quickly. To clean out my fridge, I'm going to use my Mrs. Meyer's cleaner. I get this at Target. I like the lavender scent. I don't think it's too much, but it's good. And then I'm also going to be using these Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. And these are just going to help me with getting any stains that are on the white area. So I'm going to clean it out real quick and get it ready for the food. Okay, that was a big job. If I do anything today, like just getting this clean makes me so happy. So I hope I give you a little motivation to clean your fridge. Just wipe everything down. I took out all the drawers, washed them in the sink and put them back in. So I'm excited about that. So now it's time to get organized. If you guys watched my pantry video, I switched to clear organizers and I'll link that video below if you're interested. So I've decided to do the same thing in my fridge. I think clear containers, you can see what's in there better and it's just easier than having colored containers. So I grabbed a set on Amazon. This set comes with 4 of these small containers. I'm thinking snacks for these, so these will probably go down low. And the set also came with 4 larger containers. I'm thinking my meats, cheeses, breads, things like that are going to go in these. So I'm gonna put the containers in, kind of figure out where I want everything, and then I'll start adding the food back in. I got my lower level completed and I have things that my kids reach for often, so that's why they're down low. I have their milk, different yogurt drinks, applesauce, these are little Go-Gurts. And then this is going to be for all of our cheeses, shredded cheese, and then also like sandwich cheese. On the top shelf, I utilized these larger containers, and this top one has like deli meats and bacon meats in there. And then over here, this is gonna be for like tortillas and wraps or any kind of bread. So that will go there. To add a little bit more to my clear containers, I grabbed this set of 8 little glass containers. They have the lids that close on them. Ooh, I can't do it up like that. And what I'm gonna do, let me get that shut. Okay, so these glass containers, I'm going to put on this, let's wait. So the glass containers, I'm going to cut up fruits and veggies and I'm gonna put them on this shelf right here. That way, if I open my fridge and I see it ready to go, I'm more likely to make that healthy choice, and my kids are too. So that's what I'm going to do next, and prep some veggies. In my 2 drawers, I have vegetables over on this side, and then over here I have fruit and lettuce in the back, so it's just easily where you can grab it. I like to keep this bottom drawer for more things for my kids, so these little plastic containers I grabbed at Dollar Tree, and they're great just to divide out this big drawer. So I have some more cheese, some fruit cups, carrots, and then I also have my eggs down here. Next, I'm gonna add in my condiments along this side of the door. I got rid of quite a few. One thing I like to do when I'm putting in the condiments is my most used condiments I will put down on the bottom because I think those are easier to grab. I usually keep like butter and stuff up here, and things we don't use as much I will put down here. I don't know why. I guess this is more, we always just grab from down below, and this is where most of them get put back. All right, here's a look at how my fridge turned out. I love the way it looks. I love how clean it is. I love that I have food prepped and ready to go. So that makes me really happy. I hope that I was able to give you some motivation to clean out your fridge, or maybe just toss out things and wipe it down. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. I post 3 videos each week. And if you missed our last video, I'll link it here for you. And I'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye.